Good morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning right now, and I woke up and looked out the window, and it was such a beautiful morning after all the rain and the work that's been done in the yard. And it's basically golden hour right now in the early morning, and so I thought I'd come out real quick and take a look at the yard and take you along just because it felt like a fun thing to do. This is the work, of course, that just got finished. Really looking forward to figuring out what to put in this pot. Loving the path. Little bit of rain kind of took some of the soil away and moved things around, so it's looking a little more organic. The apium is blooming already. This is an early bloomer, and it's supposed to be an early fruiting tree. So I'm hoping to get fruit this tree. This would be the first year. The bearded iris are all coming in. A lot of things are just starting to kind of wake up right now. And I know they really just barely went to sleep, but that is kind of what happens in our area. It's just really pretty and quiet out right now, and so I thought I'd just take a quick peek around. We've got a beautiful set of poppies coming in up here and along this end of the fence line, the retaining wall. It's looking really good. Can you see that? No, you can't. Can you tell that the retaining wall is bowing? I know I just showed you these, but we got a bearded iris and some narcissus here. I did straighten that tree recently, and just everything's looking fresh and ready to go. And I'm starting to feel excited about the spring. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey, and I'll see you in the next one.